In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Vimeo video on Behance. Whether you're a designer showcasing your portfolio or a creative looking to add some dynamic content to your project, embedding a video can significantly enhance your presentation. With this guide, we'll break it down in clear, easy steps, ensuring you have everything you need to seamlessly incorporate your Vimeo content into Behance. First, head over to Vimeo's official website and log into your account. If you don't already have one, signing up is quick and free, offering a great platform for storing and sharing your videos. Once you're logged in, next upload your desired video. Make sure your video is either new or ready to showcase, as this step prepares it for the next stages of embedding. After uploading, it's important to adjust the privacy settings. Ensure that your video is set to either public or unlisted. These settings allow your video to be visible when embedded on Behance. A private setting would restrict the video from being viewed, making this step crucial. Now go to your video on Vimeo. Near or below the video player, you'll find an option to access and copy the embed code. This special code allows you to place the video on other platforms. Simply click to copy this embed code to your clipboard. This is the key to embedding your video successfully on Behance. With your Vimeo embed code copied, it's time to move over to Behance. If you haven't already, log into your account. Navigate to the project area where you'd like the video to appear. You can either start a new project or edit an existing one. This flexibility helps you integrate video at any stage of your creative process. Within your project on Behance, find the option to add media. You will use the Embed Media block, which is purpose-built for this type of content. Click to select this option, and you'll be presented with a space to paste that embed code you copied earlier from Vimeo. Once pasted, Behance takes care of the heavy lifting by automatically converting this code into a fully functional embedded player. This transformation allows your video to be viewed within the Behance platform. To get the appearance just right, you can click and drag the corners of the embedded player to resize or reposition it within your layout. This feature gives you the creative freedom to integrate the video seamlessly with your other project elements. Finally, take a moment to review your project. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Publish to make your project live or update if you're editing an existing one. This final step ensures your embedded video is ready to be viewed by anyone visiting your Behance profile. And there you have it, a simple guide to embedding Vimeo videos on Behance. By following these steps, you'll be able to display your work in a way that's both engaging and visually appealing.